Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial, and in today's video I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and start an LLC with Northwest Registered Agent. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, before we head over to the video, if you go ahead and use our affiliate to create your LLC with Northwest, you will be able to save 83% and pay just around $39 for the LLC formation. So go ahead and make sure that you check out the affiliate link in the description box below. So now that's out of the way, we can now open up the official website right here. It is the northwestregisteredagent.com, and inside you will then be prompted to the main official menu. Right here, you will be able to see different options. We have the Get Registered Agent right here. You have your Get a Domain and Website, and most importantly, we are here for the third option, which is the Start an LLC. So just go ahead and click this option right here, and then you will be able to see this page. You can just go ahead and select your state right here. We are going to select a Delaware LLC, and after that, we will now be prompted to the menu right here. You have your business name, and there's also an additional instruction how to start an LLC in Delaware. And if you go ahead and scroll down, there's a lot more guides right here. You have your name, your LLC, and there's a lot of description on how you could go ahead and do this. Scrolling further down, we have the second one, which is the Appoint a Delaware Registered Agent. Number 3, we have File Delaware Certificate of Formation. Number 4, we have Get State of Delaware Business License and more right here. You can just go ahead and keep reading this if you want to. But once you have scrolled all the way down, you will be able to see the Ready to Start an LLC in Delaware. Just go ahead and click on Get Started. And then now we are at the first page. As I've mentioned earlier, if you go ahead and use our affiliate link, you will be able to save 83% and you will just pay $39 for an LLC formation. So if you go ahead and browse through right here, for the LLC standard filing option, it is around $158. So you can just go ahead and choose the what type of business would you want to start. We are going to select LLC in these options right here. And you have your filing options. For the first one, we have processed by state in 7 days, which is the standard filing option. It is around $110. For the second one, it will be processed around 4 days. It is around $160. And for the last one, expedited in 1 day, it is around $210. So just go ahead and choose the applicable filing option that you want. We're going to select the second one, $160. Right here, you have your breakdown of your summary. You have your business formation, the state fee, compliance filing, business identity, and more. So let's just go ahead and click on continue right here. And for the second one, we have our company. You have your company name. So if you want to go ahead and add your business name right here, you could just go ahead and type your business name, and at the end of your name, just go ahead and follow up with an LLC. After that, we have the send a copy of the lawsuits and legal notices to your attorney. Just go ahead and choose your applicable option right here. But before we proceed further down the video, this is not a legal advice. This is just for educational purposes only. So now that's out of the way, we can now go ahead and use our business purpose. Right here, you can just go ahead and choose your generic business purpose if you turn on this slider. And in this tutorial, I'm just gonna go ahead and use this option to make it more flexible for our LLC or our business right here. For the second one, we have the physical address you want on record with the state. Of course, you could just go ahead and choose your applicable options. You have your registered agent address, your mailing address, and you can also go ahead and specify an address right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and leave this at the first option. For the second one, we have the mailing address you want on the record with the state. Once again, you could just go ahead and choose your preferred option. But once you're done, just go ahead and click on continue. And now we are at the management section. We have the management type right here, member manage and manager manage. So is your management type are being managed by your members, or it is being managed by a higher up or a manager? So in this video, I'm just gonna go ahead and select the member managed right here, and we have our member 1. You could just go ahead and put the information of that member. And once again, we have the address to record with the state. I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it with the first one, or registered address. Click on continue to proceed to the next section, which is the contact section. You have your first name right here, last name, phone number, and country, mailing address, city, state, province, or the postal and zip code. So you have your first name right here. Let's just go ahead and type our personal address. You have your phone number with the second one, and you have your country, also have the mailing address, state/province, and lastly you have your zip and postal. But after filling up everything inside the contact section right here, just go ahead and click on continue. And after that, now we are inside our account options. So it is really simple. You have your email address right here. You may need to go ahead and verify this email. You also have your password, and you may need to confirm that password. You could just go ahead and click on the generate password right here if you want a randomized password. But you could just go ahead and follow the instruction for password if you wish to create your own. And for the next one, we have our business identity. We provide you everything to instantly stand up your business. The domain registration right here, 1 year for free. Website hosted by us, owned by you. You have your business email address, and lastly the business phone. And if you wish to go ahead and avail the free 90-day trial, one click cancel in your online account, you could just go ahead and click on this slider right here. After that, just go ahead and click on proceed, and now we are inside the last one of the last section, which is our optional items. You have your file, your annual report to you. You could just go ahead and read the additional details if you want to enable this additional option. You have your tax ID right here. Once again, you could just go ahead and read on your information. A federal tax ID number is also known as the employer identification number. You have your S corporation electronics with the IRS. You have your mail forwarding, trademark service, and the corporate supplies. But after reviewing your optional items, you could just go ahead and proceed by clicking on continue once more. And now we are inside our payment. So you could just go ahead and use your Visa card, the MasterCard, American Express, or you also have the Discover right here. But before finishing up with your LLC right here, once again, I will be leaving an affiliate link down in the description box below, so you could go ahead and save a ton of money when browsing through the Northwest registered agent. So guys, after filling out your payment method right here, you will now be able to form a new company in the northwestregisteredagent.com. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.